Welcome back, guys. So today, pretty good day. We had a pretty good recovery day. Not the greatest pump, but we did head back up. And this is better than expectations. And now I'm starting to hear more and more people talk about how they think September is going to be an up month. What happened to the negative sentiment? What happened to September being a historically bad month will crash everything? Well, I mean, knock on wood, there's always a possibility. But now I'm starting to hear more and more people become bullish. So I guess we'll wait and see what happens. But we did get a couple of things happening today. And there will be more things happening tomorrow. So let's talk about it. Number one is we got the Fed Beige Book. It came out today and basically said that the Fed recognizes that jobs are suffering. They're weak. Okay, so that's one of the major points the Fed looks at when determining if they're going to hike or cut rates, right? So after that came out, the CME prediction tool for this month's cut jumped up to 97%. 97%. So for sure we are going to get a cut, but I don't see a 50 basis point cut possibility yet. Now, the good thing is that may come out tomorrow, because tomorrow we will get some jobs numbers, okay? Jobless claims and also ADP employment numbers. Both of these will show that things are retracing overall, but if the numbers come in less than expected, that's more ammunition, of course, to push for a bigger rate cut. And you know Trump and the White House will be doing just that, okay? And on Friday, we're going to get a even bigger employment report, a jobs report, okay, showing that we only added 75,000 jobs overall last month. But again, we'll see if that comes in. It's looking good right now, okay? Meaning, if somehow these reports come out worse than expected, as long as we don't see like terrific numbers, there's a really good chance in 2 weeks we may actually see a 50 basis point cut. So I think that's what a lot of people are excited about right now. Okay, so these are all great things. Tomorrow we will see how the jobless claims and the ADP employment numbers come out. Okay, it should be before market bell. So outside of this, you know, this bearish sentiment seems to have dissipated a little bit. At least I'm hearing more about bullish sentiment, which is good. And as of right now, Bitcoin is above 112, which actually is a really good spot, right? According to TA, Bitcoin bulls needed to reclaim 112 to get that momentum back. And that is where we are right now. We're a little bit above that. And also Bitcoin dominance hasn't like skyrocketed upwards, which is also good. And that's because ETH is holding right around 4,500. Sol is still above 211. The momentum behind that that upgrade that just got approved, right? So overall, things are looking pretty darn good. And I try to tell you guys, just because September historically has been a bad month doesn't necessarily mean it has to be. There's a lot of other factors at play. Just like last year. Last year, everyone thought the same thing. And we had the best September month for Bitcoin ever in history. So think about that. Outside of these things, there's really not much else going on. I mean, overall, everything is coming back up, which is, you know, exactly what we want. Maybe not exactly what we predicted, but exactly what we wanted, right? And things are looking good. The fundamentals are great. Exchange reserves are still low. ETF inflows are now back in the positive. We still have a lot of companies adding to their Bitcoin treasury, their ETH treasury, their Sol treasury. I don't know what else you could say. Overall, it's just a really good month so far, although we're just 3 days in, and it's been a good day. Tomorrow will be a big day. We could see a major climb tomorrow if the numbers actually come down, right? And then same thing on Friday. If the numbers come down even more, we may get that 50 basis point cut, and that would be absolutely fantastic. And even if we don't get it, the Fed may say, well, the Fed Chair Powell may say something about that which gives us hope for 3 rate cuts, right? 2 more after this one. So I guess we'll see. Outside of this, just want to say, I mentioned a lot about Discord. Today is the first day of boot camp. A lot of people joined. I think we're going to do another one end of this month. So in case you missed today's, it's not too late to join tomorrow. And we got a couple more days left for this week's boot camp. If you want to learn how to trade, make sure you join the Discord and join in the boot camp channel. And we're going to have another one at the end of this month. But outside of that, we got over 3,000 members in there. People communicating, asking questions, getting educated, looking at charts, sharing their car photos, talking about Clash Royale, adding their portfolios, getting advice, trading advice, joining boot camp. It's a really lively community. A lot of people are in it. Absolutely free to join, so make sure you guys do so. Don't miss out. I know you guys love to chat. Q&A always filled with thousands of people. All right, that's it. I'm going to keep this video nice and short. No more rambling. I will see you guys tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. All right? Have a good one, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.